I had somebody called, is an MP, called Enyonyi. Now, Enyonyi was saying, when these people went to the swamp, why didn't Nema stop them? But that's a wrong question. Okay, that can be asked. You can ask it. But the bigger question is going in the swamp a small issue which you can ignore and there's no danger to us? Because if it was a small issue that we could ignore, we would ignore it. But what is the consequence of going into the swamp? Desertification. Uganda will become a desert. Can we afford that? Because it affects the rains. 40% of our rain is because of the wetlands. Number two, it affects our ability for irrigation. I have been seeing people commenting, but where was NEMA when these people built buildings? Why did they not stop it? But why should NEMA be the one to stop these people? Don't you have eyes to see a swamp? You yourself. We don't need NEMA. Who doesn't know what a swamp is? Ekshara, if you don't know it, I can tell you in Rinyankori. Mwali Maaso. What on Muntobazi? How did you come in the wetland? And yet you knew it was, because there are signs everywhere of what a wetland is. So I think my appeal to the people in the wetlands, please, I don't want the Abasenga to be Bakambwe. They should give time, say, please go, and the people go by themselves. And I've seen that some people are willing to go from Nabweru. I saw it on the TV, that some of the people on their own. Because this is a matter of life and death for this part of the world. Rain, water for irrigation, the wetland resources, and okujejana to filter, our natural filter.